It's double happiness today. Yeah, join me. Let's make this double happiness bouquet today. Yeah, the two boys in P7. Here are our materials. This is the tape dispenser, the sticks, and then the money, of course. Yeah, it's 1,000 knots. Yeah, but we're going to make two bouquets. That's why we have two butterflies and then the big tape. Yeah, sometimes I'm struggling with to get where I ended this step from. If anyone has a hack how to do that, please just help me, because I am really struggling with that tape, especially the clear tape. It's so hard for me to find where I ended it from. So let's embark on our money bouquet. So the first step is to get the knot, fold it into a half and get the middle line. So the middle line is the hind legs for the other animal, the brown one. So what I do, I get a tape, put it in the middle and then fold the knot in that form. After folding, I tape it down twice to secure it. But don't worry, this tape really moves very fast, so it doesn't make the money spoiled. Hi lovely people, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. How are you? How's been your day? Those of you who went for Juma prayers, thank you so much for representing some of those that did not go. Alhamdulillah, I'm okay too. Yeah, these are bouquets, two of them. This time they're not for a customer. I'm the customer today. I have twins. They're in primary 7 this year. Alhamdulillah. So I said, why not? I'll make my boys some money bouquet. They will be so happy. I know. They will be so happy because it's going to be a surprise to them. Mommy showing up with a bouquet, money bouquet. Yeah, if you need one of a kind, maybe with different knots, just contact me on this telephone number 0782 851937, or the TikTok account is the h.uae, and then Instagram account as well, the h.uae, and then for YouTube channel it's the H Trends and Threads. Yeah, sometimes I want to skip this kind of steps, but last time, yeah, somebody contacted me and say, why do you skip those steps? Because I need them. I need to learn. So today I said I will leave them to play so that you can enjoy it. I think I should keep quiet so you can concentrate and learn this. What do you think? Okay, let's meet again when the notes are done folding.
يا حبيبي يا شفيعي يا رسول الله بأمي وأبي فديتك سيدي صلاة وسلام عليك يا نبي حبيبي يا محمد أتيت بالسلام والهدى محمد حبيبي يا محمد يا رحمة للعالمين يا محمد صلى الله على خاتم الأنبياء محمد رحمة للعالمين رحمة للعالمين.
Thank you so much, guys. If you're still around, if you made it this far, it really means a lot to me. I'll take this opportunity to thank my customers. Thank you so much, guys. I'll never fail to thank you whenever I get a chance because you really mean a lot to me. You've done a very, very, very good support to me, and I really do appreciate that. Nothing is compared to what you're doing to my business. You're helping it grow, and I'm so happy about that. May God always bless you for me. Always. Barakallahu fikum. I'm so grateful. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing, following the channel, because we always have tutorials of this kind and even more in different sectors like embroidery, like engraving, like resin, different crafting methods. So please, you don't want to miss on those tutorials. And if you're a returning fan, please don't forget to like before you leave and leave a comment. That will make me so happy. I'll really appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys. I think it's about to finish this knot folding. A few are remaining so that we can start on making our bouquet. I'm so excited. Very much excited, you know. When I'm making for my customers, I'm so excited and a bit nervous because I don't want to make any error. I have a personality of being a perfectionist. I need everything on point. So if something does not go the way I want, it really bothers me. But this time, I had the excitement, but I wasn't nervous because I was like, whatever comes up will be fine. The boys will be okay with it and no worries. So that was my attitude today. But alhamdulillah, it turned out nicely, and this is the last one, the last knot to fold. Thank you so much, guys, for staying around. If you're here up to this time, it really means a lot to me. Hope you've learned something, my friends, my lovely people. Hope you've learned from this. Yeah. Now, here we go. Now that we're done with folding our knots, next step is the most interesting and most challenging one. Yeah, it's making the bouquet itself, putting these knots on the oasis. Very challenging, guys. Yes, it is. So I had to count since there were supposed to be two. I had to divide the knots into two. I counted 30 because I put 30,000 in each bouquet. So that's the oasis I was talking about. So I had to divide it into two. Like I told you guys today, it's double happiness, everything double. So it's double in everything. In the oasis, I had to make double. The money I had to divide. Like I said, guys, to be on a safe side, you have to mark the oasis so you can get the middle part so you can start properly. Yeah, you know, when you start properly, it becomes a bit easier. I know it's challenging, but when you begin properly on the right foot, then it becomes easier. So I decided to put white roses in the middle because I know the boys like white a lot, so I wanted to put their color. And then I was looking at bright in the middle, and then the color goes on making dark till when it gets so bright. So that was my intention. Yeah, but it turned out nicely. This was the first one. I recorded only the first bouquet. I did not record the second bouquet. But alhamdulillah, I showed it also at the end. But I could not waste a lot of your time to record two bouquets and then it's the same process, especially in the same video. That would be a wastage of my lovely people's time. And you know, time is expensive. So the bouquet is done, and this is the look after putting the wrappers. What do you think, guys? Tell me in the comment section if you like the way it turned out, or if you think I missed something, or you think I should alternate something, maybe the wrappers or the notes or the flowers in the middle. Just let me know what you think, guys, please. Just let me know. Give me your idea, give me your views, give me your remarks. It will really mean a lot to me. Thank you so much, guys. If you have made it this far, please subscribe if you haven't yet. And if you have already subscribed, I really do appreciate. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to follow before you leave. It helps the channel grow and it helps me as well. It motivates me to make more tutorials like this. I think for now I should be signing out. Until next time, be safe, take care, bye bye.